Go.
How you doing today? Kevin Black at Jones Technical Institute. Today I'm going to be doing a brake inspection on drum brakes. I've already gone ahead and taken my tire off. I took my drum off. I also took off my hub because I noticed signs of oil, an oil seal leak in my drum. We'll get to that later. But I'm going to be going over the classic things to be looking for when you do a brake inspection. So, like I said, I got everything off. I got my brakes here. I'm going to inspect my brakes first. I'm going to check my brakes for my wear line. You can see a line here indicates you should not let the brakes wear lower than this line. And you see here, it's on the edges, it's kind of uneven wear. It's a little more worn over here than it is here. That could be caused by a few things. The springs could be starting to get worn. My rollers aren't working correctly, my cam roller. So I inspect that. I can see signs of oil on my brakes. See all this cluttered up stuff. Got wet oil down here. So that's going to tell me there's a sign of oil seal leak. So that's why I took my hub off. So, like, after you inspect your brakes, you're going to inspect your springs. You're going to check them. You're going to check the cam rollers. If I was doing this, I'd take them off and I'd replace the whole set. I'd get a whole brake set, a whole new set. Comes with springs, cam rollers here, and obviously brake shoes. So here, since I have my hub off, I'll go ahead and talk about inspecting your spindle, since it's right here for us. I have signs of overheating on my spindle due to the bluish hue on bark that shows signs of overheating. Could be caused of oil failure, meaning oil's not lubricating properly, so it's overheating when it's rotating. Signs of my oil leakage here, so that could be a big cause and it could help prevent the wear onto my spindle. So I've inspected my brake shoes, tacked on my spindle, my hub. Now I got my drum. What you're going to want to check for in here is signs for shining. That's caused from grinding. Alright. You're also going to want to look for heat cracks. They're going to be tiny cracks, as you can see here. It's cracking all along the drum, and you don't want it bigger than 2 inches. It's going to show significant signs of wear. And like I said earlier, I got a little bit of oil in here, pumped up, so that's going to show signs of a real oil seal leak, or my bearing seal leak. So I'm going to go ahead and replace that, and that'll hopefully help the life. Now, another thing you want to do is make sure you do your automatic slack adjustment, which is over here. What that is, it's gauged to your brake, your air brakes, which are hooked up to your trucks. What you want to do to test those, you check for your ASA free play. When you turn the truck on, build up your air pressure. You'll want to make sure that all your air lines are connected to your brake drum correctly. You're not having any leaks. You're going to want to build up significant right amount of pressure, and when you're going to do the test, you're going to measure from the back of the brake cage to the clevis, the middle of the clevis pin. And then you're going to go ahead and get in the truck, and you're going to have someone to press the brake, and then you're going to take that same measurement from the back of the drum to my clevis pin here, the center of it, and then you're going to take the difference of your beginning measurement and your end measurement, and that's going to give you your total repairing edge free play. And you're going to want to check manufacturer